Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio G Shock GA-2100. This is going to work for all variations of this model, so you can have a different case color, a different strap, but as long as you have the GA-2100 model, this tutorial is going to work for you. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. So in order to start setting the time and date, we are going to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds, and you are going to see something change here on the digital display. So let's do that. Now we can see Lisbon right here. This is the first thing that you can actually set, which is the time zone. In order to set the time, the date, all the functions, you are going to use the two buttons on the right. On most of the functions, both buttons will work, so one to advance and one to go backwards, and on some of them, only the start button, so this one is going to work. So here, if I press the start button, I will go to London. If you have the same time zone as London, you can select that. Madrid, so you have a lot of capitals. You are going to select the one that has that same time zone as you do. I'm going to leave it at Lisbon. When you are done doing that, you are going to press the mode button in order to go to the next feature. We are going to select only the most important ones for time setting and date setting. Here we have the 24-hour display. Here you can either opt for the 12-hour display or for the 24 hours of the military time for the digital display. So if I press the start button, you can see that it has switched to 12 hours. As you can see, when I press the light button, it doesn't change. So this is one of the features where you can only use the start button. I will leave it at military time, so 24 hours. I'm going to press mode once again. Here we can set the seconds. A very important thing here is if you reset the seconds using the start button and they are between 1 and 29, they will reset to 0 without adding a minute. But I'm going to show you what happens when you reset it after 29 seconds. So you can see now we have 30 seconds. I'm going to reset them to 0, and as you can see, a minute was also added onto the clock, so you also have to keep that in mind when you set the seconds. If you want to reset them and they are under 30 seconds, they will go to 0. Once again, here you can only use the start button. I'm going to press mode once again. Here we can select the hours. If you press any of the two buttons on the right, you can see that it goes backwards and forward. So the start is forward and the light button is going to be backwards or reverse if you have other G-Shock models. Now I'm going to leave it at 12. I'm going to press mode once again. Now we can adjust the minutes. If you also press and hold a certain button on the right, you can see that you are going to be able to toggle faster through the minutes or the hours. That makes it very easy when you have to advance from 10 to 50 or something similar. Now when everything is done, I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can select the year, so you can go either forward, so 25, 26. I'm going to leave it at 2024. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can select the month, so either go with January, for example. Let's do that. So January, the first month. Now I'm going to press mode button once again. Here we are going to be able to select the day of the month, so I'm going to make it the 1st. Once again, here if you want to advance faster, you can press and hold, so this is very useful. I'm going to leave it the 1st of January 2024. Now that we also set the date, we can either press the adjust button in order to finish the process, or if you want to change something, so to modify, you can press the mode button, and as you can see, it will start all over again. So we have the time zone, Lisbon, then we have the 12 or 24-hour display and setting the time, then setting the date. Once everything is done, press the adjust button. Casio will automatically calculate the day of the week for you, and now we have the time set, so it is 12 and 16. So guys, that is how you set the time and date on your Casio G Shock GA-2100. This tutorial is going to work for other G Shock models as well. If you want to watch other tutorials on how to use other features from your Casio G Shock, especially the GA-2100, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we are going to post a full video on how to use all the features on your Casio G Shock GA-2100. Once again guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.